Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle. This is a true super sport. Great car, guys. Sorry we're shooting inside. We've got crummy weather for the next couple of days, so I'm going to try to knock some cars out before I leave town to head to another show. But great car. Factory color combination, placer gold metallic. This car has really slick paint on it. Factory black vinyl interior, buckets, console car, matching numbers, L48 350 car with air. Looks like it's got all the original body panels on it. Very good car, guys. Bought new in Louisville, Kentucky. We do have a copy of the original build sheet and a copy of the Protecto plate for the car as well. Same owner for the last 12, 13 years. It's been in Tennessee. So it's been in Kentucky and Tennessee its whole life. And really a good car. Older restoration, 94,000 original miles on it. Not very many miles, they said, on the resto. And I'll tell you, the paint shows it. There's not really any stone pecks or anything. It's really got slick paint on the car. You can see it's got the factory steel cowl hood with the hood pins. Most of the trim is actually original and very nice. Again, it's got the black deck stripes painted on. Really nicely done. Really slick paint. Dual chrome mirrors. Again, you can see this trim is really nice. Factory soft ray glass car. It's one big pull, Nathan. Yep, there you go. Fit and finish on the car is really nice. Hits the road great. Oh, that's just a drip of wipe. You see it? I'll wipe it when I go by. It's pouring down rain, so we had to pull it in here and wipe it back down. So unfortunately, we got the next couple of days like that. Nice and straight down the sides. Got 17-inch American Racing torque thrust. I wouldn't normally say this because I'm a fan of aftermarket wheels. This car probably really deserves to have the stock wheels back on it. I don't have a set, or I would have done it. The car's so original that it would look good with the stock wheels. Dual exhaust. It's got the 12-bolt rear axle with the F41 rear suspension. Of course, front disc brakes. Little rope mark right there. Again, matching numbers, 350. It's the L48 that came in the Super Sports. Edelbrock 4-barrel with an Edelbrock aluminum intake. It does have an HEI distributor. Power steering, power disc brakes, air blows cold. 350 turbohydramatic trans. It's got a nice set of Chevrolet valve covers and air cleaner on it. Clean car. Dual chrome mirrors. Again, not really a whole lot that you could really pick on the car. The car is just very nice. You can tell it's been very well maintained. Clean door seams. Interior's nice. It's got the factory buckets with center console. 4-bar steering wheel. Looks like they put some new sill plates in it. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts. Headliner looks good. Factory tacking gauges, 94,000 on your odometer there. You put an aftermarket radio in it, got some aftermarket gauges under the dash too. Dash pad looks really good. Again, dual exhaust, 12-bolt, 273 posi-traction, that's factory. With the F41 suspension. Jack with spares here in the trunk. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. Again, it looks like it's got all the original quarters. It's a copy of the original window sticker. That's of course your brochure, and then here's the copies of the original build sheet and protecto plate. Oh, I was going to show you this. You're seeing this. This is a drip of water up here. See that? It's just, sorry. Thing got soaking wet when we were pulling it in. Clean underneath. See a little inspection mark there on your rear axle. Yeah, it's just a good car. Somebody has maintained and loved this thing. Again, seats are nice. I know it's dark when we shoot the videos inside. I hate that, but we got to work with what Mother Nature gives us here sometimes. Glass is real nice. Maybe just kick your air on it, blows cold, good sound. That's a really pretty car, man. Again, slick paint. Works. Again, it's got the aftermarket gauges underneath there. It opens and closes nice. There you go. It may not come in here though. Blower motor works. You're gonna get a better signal too outside than in here. Wipers are functional. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to this YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.